we will discuss about the new mathematical concept, that is differentiation. Correct? So before discussing the differentiation, let's see here. Suppose y is equal to 3x plus 5. It is an equation having two variables x and y. Here x is called independent variable and y is called dependent variable, because for each and every value of x, y having their own specific value, it means y depend on x. So we can say that y is the function of x, and it is written as y is equal to fx and read as y is the function of x. It means we can change the value of y with respect to x. Correct? So what is the differentiation is the instantaneous rate of change of dependent variable with respect to independent variable, called differentiation of dependent variable with respect to x, and it is written as d by dx of y. Correct? Means differentiation of y with respect to x. It means differentiation is the instantaneous rate of change of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. Correct? This is the definition of differentiation. So let's see the few formulas of differentiation. And first formula, differentiation of an isolated constant. Constant means which cannot change during mathematical operation. So d by dx of an isolated constant is always 0. For example, differentiation of pi with respect to x. So pi having their own constant value. So differentiation of pi with respect to x, it is always 0. Similarly, differentiation of x power n. Differentiation of x power n. N is a number, any number that is positive or negative. So differentiation become n into differentiation of x to the power n minus 1 into d by dx of x. Actually here it is 1, but along with the formula we will write this term. Is very important term, d by dx of x. Let's see an example. Differentiation of x power 5. Instead of n, 5 written, so its differentiation become 5 x power 5 minus 1, that is 4 dx by dx, and it get cancelled. Your answer become 5 x power 4. Third, differentiation of product of constant and variable. In this case, constant may taken out of differentiation sign, then into d by dx of variable. Let us an example. Differentiation of, suppose it is 5 x power 5. So 5 is constant and x power 5 is variable. So 5 is taken out of differentiation sign, d by dx of x power 5. And now this d by dx of x power 5 turn in the form of second d by dx of x power n. So it becomes 5, n is here 5, so 5 x power 5 minus 1, that is 4 dx by dx, it get cancelled. So your answer is 25 x power 4. Now fourth formula, product of two variables, d by dx of u into v. U and v both are variable, so differentiation become second variable into differentiation of first variable plus first variable into differentiation of second variable. Product of two variable, that is second variable d by dx of first variable plus first variable into d by dx of second variable. Let us an example. Differentiation of x square into log x. You may take any one as first and other as second. So suppose x square first and log x as second. So second variable, that is log x, into differentiation of first variable, that is x square, plus first variable x square into differentiation of second variable, that is log x. So its differentiation become log x into differentiation of x square, use x power and formula, and it is 2x dx by dx plus x square, and differentiation of log x is 1 upon x into d by dx of x. So this get cancelled, 1x get cancelled. So your answer is 2x into log x plus x. So it is the product of two variable. Then next formula, suppose it is fifth. Differentiation of e to the power variable x is exponent to the power variable. So that will remains e to the power x into d by dx of variable which is in power, that is x. Let us an example. Suppose here written d by dx of e to the power x square. Instead of x, now x square is written. So it become e to the power x square into d by dx of x, and what is x here? Instead of x, now x square is written. So d by dx of x square. So it is e to the power x square. Now differentiate x square with respect to x. Use x power and formula here, and it become 2x power 2 minus 1 into d by dx of x. Instead of x, see here it is x remains, so it get cancelled. So your answer become 2x into e to the power x square. Correct? Now sixth formula, differentiation of log of any quantity. Suppose that variable is x. So differentiation become 1 upon x into differentiation of that variable x. Let us an example. Log x cube. Now compare it with the formula. Instead of x, x cube is written. So it become 1 upon x. So it become 1 upon x cube into d by dx of x. And what is x here? X cube. That is x cube. So it is 1 upon x cube. Now again differentiate x cube with respect to x. Use x power and formula here. It become 3x power 3 minus 1, that is 2. Then d by dx of x. And if we see here, instead of x remains x. So it get cancelled. X square cancelled with this. And so our answer is 3 by x. Seventh, suppose function is given in the form of sum or difference of various variables. In this case, what happened? The differentiation sign get distributed with each variables or constant, whatever it is, d by dx of u plus minus whatever it is, d by dx of v plus minus d by dx of w plus minus, and so on. Let us an example. Differentiate 5 plus x square minus log x square plus e to the power x cube. So in this case it get distributed over each 4 terms, that is d by dx of 5 plus d by dx of x square minus d by dx of log x square plus d by dx of e to the power x cube. See here, now d by dx of 5 is constant and isolate, so differentiation becomes 0, plus d by dx of x square, it is given in the form of x power n, so become 2x into dx by dx get cancelled, minus differentiation of log of any quantity become 1 upon that quantity into d by dx of that quantity, so d by dx of x square, plus differentiation of e to the power any variable that will remains e to the power that variable into d by dx of that variable, and which is here x cube. So it is 2x minus 1 by x square, and now differentiation of x square, use x power n formula again here, it is 2x dx by dx by dx cancel, plus e to the power x cube into differentiation of x to the power 3, use again x power n, so it becomes 3x square dx by dx, it get cancelled, 1x cancel with this x, so our answer is 2x minus 1 upon x plus e to the power x cube into 3x square, so it is the answer. Then next formula, it is 8th, differentiation of constant to the power variable a to the power x, and the differentiation become a to the power x into log a into d by dx of x. X is here variable which is in power of constant. Let us an example, differentiate a power log x square, it will remains a power log x square into d by dx into log a into d by dx of x, and which is here log x square. So it is a power log x square into log a into log of any quantity, it is 1 upon that quantity into d by dx of that quantity, and which is here x square. So it become a power log x square into log a into 1 upon x square into differentiation of x square, that is x power n, become 2x into dx by dx, so 1x get cancelled, so your answer become 2 upon x into a to the power log x square into log a. Clear? Suppose if function is given in the form of numerator and denominator, so differentiation become denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator by square of denominator. Let us an example, dy dx of e to the power x upon x square. Suppose it is the question. So denominator means x square, d by dx of numerator means e to the power x minus e to the power x into d by dx of x square upon square of denominator, and it become x power 4. That is x square, differentiation of e power x will remain e power x dx by dx minus e power x, differentiation of x square become 2x by x power n formula into dx by dx upon x power 4, dx get cancelled, so you may take e power x or x e power x as common, so here it remains x minus 2 upon x power 4, 1x get cancelled. Your answer is e power x into x minus 2 upon x cube. So this it is the answer. Sometimes suppose if by is the function of u and u is the function of x. Don't say 1 2. By is the function of u and u is the function of x. Then differentiation of by with respect to x may be written as, because we can differentiate by only with respect to u and we can differentiate u with respect to x. So here it is d by dx. We can differentiate by with respect to u. So dy by du, and we can differentiate u with respect to x. So into du by dx. If we simplify it is dy by dx, du and du get cancelled. For example, suppose by is equal to 3t square plus t and t is equal to x plus 5. It means we can differentiate by with respect to t and t with respect to x. So you will get d by upon dt. First differentiate by with respect to t. So that is d by dt of 3t square plus t. D by dt of 3t square plus t. Instead of by, write down 3t square plus t. Now we can distribute d by dt to d by dt of 3t square plus t become d by dt of 3t square plus d by dt of t. It is product of constant and variable, so constant is taken out from differentiation sign, and d by dt of t square by x power n formula, it become 2t into dt by dt plus d by dt of t, power of t is 1, so it is 1 t power 0 dt by dt. So it becomes 6t plus 1. So it is d by dt, and d by second dt can be differentiated with respect to x. So d by dx of t. So d by dx of t, and the value of t is given x plus 5. X plus 5. So get distribute, it will become dx by dx plus d by dx of constant 5. Dx by dx it is 1, and 5 is constant and isolate, that is 0, it is 1. Therefore d by dx, our ultimate aim is to find the d by dx. So d by dx is equal to d by dt into dt by dx. So d by dt, it is 60 plus 1, 60 plus 1 into dt by dx, it is 1, it is 1. So your answer become 60 plus 1. Clear? So these are the basic formula. Now if you trigonometrical formula, it is suppose 11th, d by dx of sin x, and its differentiation is cos x into d by dx of x. 12 d by dx of cos x, that is minus sin x, into d by dx of x. 13th d by dx of tan x, and tan x can be written as d by dx of sin x by cos x, and if you use numerator and denominator, then you will get sec square x into d by dx of x. 14th d by dx of sec x, that is d by dx of sec x is the reciprocal of cos. We write here 1 upon cos x, and use numerator and denominator, and finally you will get sec x tan x into d by dx of x. 15th, suppose cot x, the differentiation of cot x with respect to x can be written as d by dx of cos x upon sin x, and again use numerator and denominator formula. So you will get minus cosec square x dx by dx, and last formula d by dx of cosec x, and cosec is the reciprocal of sine, may write as d by dx of 1 upon sin x. Use numerator and denominator, so finally you will get minus cosec x cot x into d by dx of x. So these are the few formula of differentiation. Solve the problems, and in next video we will discuss about integration. Thank you.